Hey guys, Robert Knoll with RNR Environmental. Just wanted to show you the difference between standard compaction of your base or other materials and adding RNR Natural Pavement Soil Solidifier. These sample pucks are from a heavily clay-based material. That's not usually the best material, but in this case it worked great. These first two, RNR Natural Pavement was added, but in this one, only water was added, just like standard compaction. Here I've added some gloss sealer to show you what it would look like for an indoor application for a floor or natural look. Very aesthetic. In this case, it looks like a natural stone or even a tumbled marble. It's a really great look. So I'll just add some impact to this, try to keep it consistent, and see what happens. Clearly, compaction with water alone is no match and not comparable to compaction with RNR Natural Pavement locking in that compaction for years and years.